Hello, people. It is me, General MEP, and I have just recently purchased one of these because I was not happy with my old alternator bracket, which is this. So, let's try to install the new one according to the instructions. Alright, first, let's remove all the old hardware. Now, I will install the side mounting bracket according to the 1/4 inch flanged header description in the instructions. Next is the adjuster bracket installation. During the front mounting bracket installation is where we ran into a little bit of trouble. The main problem is they tell us to use these 3/8 by 3 3/4 inch hex bolts, which bottomed out before securing the bracket. After shortening the bolts, we were able to install the front mounting bracket using spacers that accounted for offset water pump bosses, as seen in the video. Then we installed the alternator assembly according to the instructions. Finally, we installed the belt and verified that all the bolts were tight. Well, that doesn't look too bad, if I do say so myself.